Hey all, in this video I am going to discuss what is WordPress. Generally when you are searching for any web designing softwares or when you think of designing your own website, so what you will be hearing is you will be hearing frequently WordPress. So I'll tell you what is WordPress and how it is useful as a web designing software. So basically WordPress is called a CMS. So CMS is a full so the full form of CMS is content management system. So it means like through this particular system or through this software or through this tool you will be able to manage content on your website. So basically when you design a website, so when you code a website, either be a HTML or let it be a PHP or let it be a .NET or some any other language, so you design it on some other software, so like Dreamweaver, like Photoshop, like Adobe products, Adobe Muse. So even we have PHP designing softwares as well as .NET designing softwares. So what these softwares does is they design static websites, and you can design dynamic websites with these softwares with a lot of coding. So I'll tell you what is the difference between static website and dynamic website. So through static, if you design a static website, you will be able to design only your web page, so which can be edited only through coding, and you will be able to design only your web page. So dynamic website, it will be having a backend, and you can log into that backend and you can design, you can edit it through a what you see is what you get software. So basically content management system, through content management system you can omit all these procedures, so you can omit a lot of coding, and it has lot of advantages. So the main advantage of WordPress is they are used to design dynamic websites. So and it avoids coding as well, you need not to have any coding knowledge. So if you have coding knowledge, it will be an added advantage, but to develop a basic website in WordPress you need not to have any coding knowledge, and it's open source and free as well. So WordPress you will get as a small software folder, and you can install it on your website folder, and it's free to download as well as free to install. So I'll show you a sample sample WordPress backend, where you can see like how WordPress looks like in the backend. So your front end will be a normal website. So what you see will be a normal website, but backend will be a different one. I'll show it in the later part of the video. So here WordPress, so you can think like what WordPress is used for, whether WordPress is used for only for business websites or it can be used for other purposes. And nowadays we are designing even more advanced website on WordPress. So there are many e-commerce websites as well which runs on WordPress, and we can do blogs, and most of news outlets, they are using WordPress only, news websites, and all these online news websites, they'll use WordPress only, and many new music websites, they will use WordPress, and we have some Fortune 500 companies which use WordPress. So basically what WordPress enables is it enables to manage your content. So let's take, you have a about us page, so you can manage the about us page in a very easy manner. You can just log in and click on about us page and edit it and then update it, that's all. So you need not to know any coding for doing bold, for doing underline, all these things. It's a very useful software, and it's very easy to learn software, and it's a very advanced tool. So you can use it in an advanced manner as well, you can use it in a basic manner as well. So even if you don't know how to design a website, you can do it on WordPress. So I'll show you a sample backend of WordPress. So this is a sample backend of WordPress, so where you can see a dashboard as well as you can see posts over there. So normally when you see a news website, a new online news website, you will be seeing all the news are being updated. They are all posts, and what they'll do is just they'll paste the headline, they'll paste a title, they'll paste the content, they'll insert image, and they'll update it. So it's a very easy manner to manage their content, so that's why it's called a content management system. So all these things, all these posts which they are posting comes under posts. You can see media, where you can handle media, you can handle web, you can handle your video, you can handle your images, all these things. So you can see pages like about us page, gallery page, and content contact page. So all these things comes under pages. So then you can see appearance, where you can install themes. There are many free themes as well as there are many premium themes where you can buy them and install it, and after you do installation, your front end will look like as you look after that theme. So if you want to know what is WordPress and what how WordPress themes looks like, you can search in Google free WordPress themes and you will get some themes, and you can check how these themes looks like. And the very plus point of WordPress is majority of WordPress websites are mobile responsive websites, and this backend is customizable, and you can do anything in the backend, and whatever you do on the on your website, everything can be done through this backend only. So you need not to have any coding knowledge. So this is about WordPress and a basic knowledge of WordPress. So I'll in my next video I'll discuss what are all the difference between what are all different types of WordPress websites, how to install a WordPress, and what are all other uses of WordPress. So subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.